made in Japan. That's what you want to see. Maxon OD9 unboxing. User's guide. Well, I'm assuming you just turn the knobs, but okay. Okay, now that I've unboxed it, I've set it up nicely here on my board. It's the only pedal I'm going to be running with a looper, so it's you can hear the tone as I turn all these knobs here. Set everything at noon to begin with, and I gotta say right off the bat, this thing is so heavy. It's the heaviest pedal on this board. It might be heavier than these switchers here too. They're not called switchers. What the heck? I don't know. It is by far the most sturdy feeling. Well, first of all, that green is like some sort of a Ninja Turtle green. I like it a little better than this mint green and this like puke green. That's like just a beautiful flat green there. But this is the best feeling pedal on my board, and I've got other pedals here too. Yeah, that's hefty. You know, that feels strong. Everything feels good, but you go to this and it's like, oh, it's definitely meant for a foot. That is like an extremely hard button to press, and the thing is just a piece of rock. Not to say these other ones, these Boss ones aren't, you know, but you get to this one and it's just like, I just broke my thumb. You can't even tell. I'm gonna do a couple things here through the Marshall JCM 2000. Going into a shit-ass cab here. I mean, I might end up hooking it through the Mesa if it sounds like crap, but because this is just an MG cab, I think. And so we'll see what happens here. Actually, while I'm at it, I'm just going to compare these two. And I'm also going to use a Ibanez RG 270DX with the Seymour Duncan Invader pickup for rock, and then for metal tone, I'm going to use these EMGs on a Schecter. And just, I don't know, I tried this through the Randall, and there was not too much tonal difference between these two pedals, so I'm thinking maybe they're meant for tube amplifiers to begin with. Enough yapping. Alright, let's just get a good baseline of the Marshall JCM 2000 through the 412 MG cab. Red channel on, everything, all the settings are at noon, the gain's a little past noon. What? Is it even... Don't tell me the battery died out. You mother effer. I left it on. It had a heavy-duty Japanese battery in it. I was so excited because pedals don't come with that anymore. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. Oh, and there it turns on. All right, the Japanese wonderful heavy-duty battery's dead. That thing would have probably lasted 10 years. God, you know what? You know what? Okay, so I just learned something. The Maxon destroys the Tube Screamer Mini when all you have is a clean signal. Of course, who would ever have that? But I think the Tube Screamer cuts through more when your amp is on gain. It's strange. I don't know what that means. There's a fly on my guitar. Let's do that. How do we raise? Let's do this home improvement riff again. I got some delay on now. Alright guys, I'm actually not hearing much of a difference with these things on or off. I don't know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch over to the Metal Man here with the bridge EMG there. See if these pedals make any more of a difference there. I don't know. I know the Maxon's was more for metal. Because this is the OD9, is the newer. Alright, we'll see. Because right now for rock, I'm not getting the biggest diffs in the universe, you know. Alright, let's do a bass line for my metal Schecter here now. Is now on clean. How funny is this? It's like some funk. There's only one more thing I can really do. Add some delay to this. Let's go for a little bit higher notes here. I'm not feeling any differences, guys, unless you're on clean. That was weird.